Not you that I do this for.
Alright guys, so I'm going to jump straight into the video. The hair I will be using is similar to the one I used last time in my previous video, which I put up there. It's a Afro twist braids, so it's literally the same hair. I just got this from my local beauty store. They also have it on AliExpress, Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description down below. So you're gonna see we're gonna use it very soon. I bought 3 packs of this, so hopefully I'm gonna finish all 3 packs. We don't know yet. And my hair is just a braid out, so it's a little bit stretched out and it's puffy right now. So I'm gonna jump straight into the weaving. I'll just let you watch.
So basically what I'm gonna do here is just basically section off the front of my hair and the side and the back of my hair. So that's the hair that we'll be leaving out, so that way it looks more natural like that, and you're gonna see in a minute. And once I'm done with that section, I'm gonna braid it away and just yeah, start the actual weaving.
This is all the hair I'll be leaving out.
And yeah, basically what I'm doing now is just braiding that section away so that that one doesn't disturb me. Onto the weaving. The weaving is basically, I don't know, just basic weaving. When it comes to crochet, I don't really have a particular pattern. I just weave because it's gonna be underneath anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And this weaving killed me, literally. It was so stressful. So basically I finished the rest of camera, and that is it. That's the front and that's the back. I tucked it in, and yeah, now moving on to the crochet bit. So you want to insert your crochet facing upwards. Take 1 strand of hair, so we're not cutting this hair. Insert it, close the latch, put it through, and basically just tie it. So I did tie it, but I'm gonna be using the invisible method after this throughout, which you see in a second. Yep, that's it. And that's what I basically did all through the hair, just the invisible method, because it makes it look more natural. I'll show you the front, which is the most important bit. So this is it right here. So what I'm doing now is basically just separating the hair. Because I'm at the front, I want it to be a bit lighter, not too thick, which is what I did throughout the hair. Actually, I basically just separated the rest of it. And yeah, as you can see, I'm putting it through the latch, closing it, and just taking 1 strand and just pull the other one and just tie it, and that's it. Easy.
She feeling me cause I'm wheezy, so wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy, yeah. Feeling me cause I'm wheezy, You think I be Uber driver cause I got the way. Better not confuse the things that I'm about to say. You better know what you want when you come my way. I really don't got that much time for.
So moving on to the other side, basically doing the same thing as well. I'm taking the piece of hair, putting it in, taking 1 strand and doing the invisible method. I love this method. It makes it look more natural. So at some point during this process, I did take some strand. I didn't separate them because they were small. So you see that I ended up, what am I saying? I ended up just separating the hair to make it look more natural, so that it's easier for me when I brush it. You see it. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm blabbing. It's probably not gonna make sense. I'll show you when I get to the part. Okay. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah. I think it's here that I actually pick the hair. So as you can see, I'm literally just separating it so that way it's less of a hassle when I start to brush it. That's what I was trying to explain, and I was just blabbing on. Yeah, that's it. See for yourself. Oh my gosh, this hair, I think it took me almost 3 hours. I was quite relaxed and laid back. I was watching a movie, you know, so, and that's what you're gonna do when you're doing your hair, really, just chill. So I am done now. Basically what I'm doing is sectioning one side off, and I am trying to detangle it using my paddle brush, and I'm also going in with my cream of nature leave-in conditioner and just spraying that on top of it just to make it nice and soft. I was going to use water, but it's far away, and then I just went in with my mousse as well and just spray that on just to make it nice and soft, because this hair is quite dry, if you know what I mean. And yes, I'm just doing that, detangling it, and now I'm starting to take out half of my hair because I don't want to bother doing it later, and that's it. And I'm doing it to the other side of the hair, trimming it to make it look more natural. This hair is actually quite puffy. I ended up using a pack and a half, and it looks really full. It was such a hassle to brush, to be honest, but after a couple of days it's gone down, it's less puffy, and it's so natural. It looks like my hair. I absolutely love this hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.